Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the time zone of the calendar by Fantastical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option in this left side column. Then scroll down till you find the this advanced section, and then find this time zones button, which is the fifth one in this column. Then you should select the time zone in the favorite time zone section. Now it is set to Budapest, but you can also add another time zone if you want to. You can search within this search bar and tap on the relevant one. You can add as many as you want to. If you go to the top of this section, you can also turn on the time zone override function, which is a premium one, meaning that Fantastical shows dates and times according to your device's settings. You can enable time zone override to see dates and times in a different time zone. You can also tap on the show second time zone button, meaning that it will only show one timeline for the current time zone in day and week view. You should enable this setting to show a second timeline for another time zone in day and week view. As you can see, this feature is only available with FlexiBits Premium. So tap on the settings button to go back to the calendar and everything will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.